shot nearly going in at the end of regulation. Just take me through the overtime period and falling behind so early.
Well, we came out in overtime and we really felt like it was going to be out 5 minutes, so we were confident with what we were able to do in the end of regulation with the momentum in our favor, and we come out and we have a couple turnovers, just probably trying to push a little too hard. I can't applaud our kids, they fought so hard. We're right there and we're so close, and we just got to keep fighting.
Talk about some of the players that really did fight throughout this game. Asia Williams being one of career high in points and really coming up big at the end of regulation with those free throws, even to get it to that point.
Oh, definitely. I thought she was so aggressive in the offense, half court. She was able to get to the rack on him and realized early that she could do it. And she was able to make plays. And different people make plays at the end of regulation, and including the shot that almost went in at the buzzer. But I give Georgia Tech a lot of credit. They kept fighting and they kept pushing and pressuring. And in the overtime, maybe we unfortunately gave it up to them a couple times. They gave up wide open layups, and so we had to play from behind. And it's another one of those games where we're just right there, but not able to finish it.
Talk a little bit about maybe how if your game plan changed with Sandra getting in foul trouble early. Michaela really stepped up and played well in her absence, but talk about what Sandra maybe going to the bench early in the first half did to you.
Well, I thought the fouls on Sandra were big because she's our kid that takes charges every game, and for whatever reason tonight they weren't charges. They were called the other way, and I thought that really affected us on our defense because everybody has such confidence and trust in her for taking those charges, and when she's not on the floor, we don't have that ability as much. So, Michaela, I thought has been playing really well for us here of late, and we're back in Atlanta. I knew she'd be ready to go, and she was fired up, and I thought she played really big for us today, and that's what it takes. You've got to be able to step up, and everybody has to step up at a different time and be able to make a play.
All right, Coach. Well, thanks. Sorry about the loss, but get on the road again against NC State on Thursday. Well, good luck against the Wolfpack.
Thanks a lot. We'll regroup, get back to Winston, and prepare to play